Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Windows 11 23H2 or 24H2 to 25H2. So if you don't know that Windows 11 is already rolling out the latest update of Windows 11, so just go to your settings option. You can search for settings from your search bar and open the settings app. Then go to your Windows update here and you'll find option of check for updates. In my case, I have already got the latest version of Windows 11 version 25H2 and right now it's downloading. If you have the download and install option, go ahead and click on this download or install. And if you have pending option of installation like this, first you need to download and update your PC. Then you may find this after restarting sometime, you'll find this Windows 11 25H2. And if you're not getting this Windows 11 version of 25H2, you just need to go to this PC option here and go to your C folder where you have installed your Windows. Click on this Windows folder, go down and you will find software distribution. Click on this download button here. And here you have to delete all the files. If you find lots of files here and you're not getting the Windows 25H2 version, delete all the files from here, select all the files. And after that, go to the search bar and search for services here. Click on the services option. Now in the services from here, you need to find the option called Windows Update. Here as you can see, this is the Windows Update. Right click on it. Now you need to stop this here. In my case, the Windows Update is on start mode because right now I'm downloading the 25H2. You need to stop this. Go to the properties, stop this Windows Update, click apply and OK. You may find the Windows 11 version for 25H2. And if you're still not getting this option, you need to download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant 25H2. Just go to the Chrome browser and search for Windows 11 Assistant Installer. Click on this Windows 11 Assistant Installer. Download this option. Then go to the folder and double click to open this. And you will find this accept and install option. You just need to accept and install. And after that, it will start to download and install on your PC. And after you just do restart, and you will get the latest version of 25H2. That's it guys, this is the video I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.